Hello Internet, this is David the Jello Fox looking at David the Jello Fox. This is the mascot for my channel. It's a work of my own personal creation, a 3D model that I have sculpted, then done a retopology on. Oops. Yeah, I want wireframe, but I don't want bones. There we go. So it's not perfect, there's a lot of flaws. But it's a retopology that was done so that I could animate it fairly easily. And it's been, of course, textured to look at least something like my Jello Fox character should look like. So, you know, he's a flan. I'm pretty sure that's the right word for it, where you've got a Jello with a thick cream on top. So, you know. So yeah, he's made of red cherry gelatin, with the darker areas like a fox would have on the paws and forearms or forelimbs being dark cherry. The eyes, of course, are grape. Look into the eyes of the Jello Fox and despair. I think it looks really cool. I mean, I was inspired by the Zootopia aesthetic, the character designs, and then I said, you know, I want to do something similar, not the same, but similar at least in proportions. And I think I got close. So right now he's in a pose because I've got him rigged for posing because he's such a poser. Yeah, he's such a poser. Anyways, I'm probably going to remodel him at some point and make the mouth more than just, you know, curves. Because right now, if I go like this, you can see the mouth is just, you know, a little bit of curve there. There's nothing actually there. Let me see about different matte caps. Oh, there I can do the vertex color. There we go. So yeah, this is what he looks like without the effect of the Jello put on. And obviously there are quite a few flaws down the middle because when I was doing a mirror for the retopology, I made some errors. I've gotten better since then. And he's got very subtle, you know, actual musculature for being Jello and such. And the neck floof. But I really like how he looks with the Jello effect. You know, it really brings him to life. So let me show you the model. I'll go into select the armature. I'll go into pose mode. I'll select all with A, pose, clear, transform all. So now he is back to just his static pose. Now if I will turn back bones and turn off, so you can see that he's got a fairly basic skeletal model. I can turn the ears and you know, move them around and stuff, do funny things. You know, he's got quite a bit of movement and motion, as a Jello Fox would. I mean, he's just Jello. Yeah. Let's see if I can get him to close his ears. That's kind of cool. I know it's totally not realistic, but that's kind of cool looking. Now you can't see the ears at all. But, open them back up. So yeah, there are a lot of flaws with this character. Like having to grab the chin when I want to pose things, and the fact that the body is attached to the neck. Yay! Look, I'm flossing. have better effect if I'm going like this. Oh yeah, the eyes are not tracked with the head. So if I move the head, the eyes do not go with. That is a problem. That is a very big problem. I need to totally rework this model. So let's pose, clear, transform all before I. Alright, but you know. Oh, there we go. That's even worse. Make myself look like an alien. Oh, well, technically, being Jello, I'm not human. You can't get any weirder than that. That's cool. I made the neck longer. I don't like it, but it's cool looking. I'm like the Undertale dog. I've been pet on the head. Ooh, I wonder if I could do that. I wonder if I could just... I can. The eyes won't go with it, but I can do that. And if I grab the eyes, I'm still in pose mode. I want to grab the eyes, and now I can look. I can look down on all of you. It's so absurd. But, you know, Jello Fox is going to do what Jello Fox does. And right now, Jello Fox is looking down on you. I've got all the I've got all the special effects things like bloom and ambient occlusion turned on. So you get a really neat effect. I should put a halo up there. I should totally put a halo up there. Add mesh, torus, shrink it a bit. And then we'll change this material to something shiny. This is so absurd. Actually, no, we'll make it gold. Object, shade smooth. Oh, come on. Shade smooth, there we go. Oh no, that's what I forgot. I forgot to change the roughness. Yeah, roughness all the way down. Oh. Like Sonic, I'm about to go through a ring. I'm about to go home to my people. Do you know the way? Do you know the way? So derpy. This is just so derpy. But, you know, Jello Fox does what Jello Fox does. Anyways. File, revert, because I can't stay like that forever. Yeah, that's just wrong. So yeah, this is my character. It's a gelatinous Jello Fox. He is very silly, very cartoony. That's what he's supposed to be because he's a mascot for my sculpting channel. And quite a bit of effort went into making this model. I've done a few full body models over the years. Some as commissions, some as freebies for people. Maybe I'll start posting stuff again. I was kind of known for doing sculpting tutorials, but I realized that I was getting almost no views on them, and what views I was getting were like, oh hey, what's this? And then 5 minutes later they click off of it. Because it's an hour-long workflow video showing how I did a sculpt from start to finish, and not everyone wants to see that. They want to see like Fortnite dancing and cool stuff. I'm like, okay. I mean, to be fair, this channel was intended to just be a place where I post my projects and show off my work as a 3D artist. You know, I'm a hobbyist. I do this for fun. I also, made a Fallout 4 mod at one point, and that got some decent views and downloads, and I hope people enjoyed it. That was the Thirst for Vengeance Nuka Zapper mod. You can still find it on Bethesda's site and Nexus Mods, but maybe I'll repost that video, put it back up. I was worried last year about all the stuff going up with Kappa and whatnot, and I figured, I have a mascot who's a colorful cartoon Jello character. How is the government going to interpret this? Are they going to claim that I'm targeting kids with ads for YouTube? It's like, no. I could care less about advertisements on YouTube. I'm using YouTube as a public forum to show my artwork. That's the whole point of my channel. I have made cool stuff I can has share with rest of internet, if you'll excuse the broken English. But so yeah, David Jello Fox might go through another couple of tweaks, another couple of fixes. I've got a few other versions. I might make another short video on another version of the old one. But this is my mascot. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this short little video of me derping around with my mascot character. Thank you, and see you around.